Today we are going to be learning how to construct a triangle, an equilateral triangle, given a length of all three sides. We have here displayed is our drawing, and the example that we are going to follow is that each side measures 100 millimeter as shown, and we also know that all three angles would be equal to 60 degrees, as the angles within a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So for basic technical drawing principles, we normally start drawing with a horizontal line, and we are going to be referring to the different vertex. We use letters to indicate those points. So for instance, line AB is from point A to point B, and line AC also starts at the same point and go to point C. So let's just get started in terms of the instructions given here. First, we are asked to draw line AB, and then we are going to construct to find point C, used to draw any equilateral triangle. So what we're going to do first is go to line, draw a line, and I'm going to turn on ortho mode to make sure it's horizontal, right, and type in my distance of 100, enter, and I'll just press escape. So that's line AB right here. We are going to achieve point C, and all we need to do is use A and B as centers, as common points, to scribe arcs from A and from B, which measures 100, to get point C somewhere up here. So we are going to go to the arc tool and use center start end, and then we are going to use A as our center. I'm just going to turn off ortho, and I'm going to type in my distance of 100, enter, and then I'll scribe my first arc. I'm going to repeat the command and go to point B, and I am going to scribe an arc of 100. And remember that AutoCAD automatically scribes in the anti-clockwise direction, so this is why I'm starting my point here in terms of the cursor, enter, and that will give us our intersection. All we have to do is draw lines from point A to point C. We can zoom in to ensure, and you have to ensure that your intersection is on, and you can turn that on down here in object snap, so you can see right here intersection is turned on, right? So, and one line also from point C to point B, and that is our triangle. If you want to do a bit of cleaning up, you can choose lengthen and shorten the length of your arcs, but this would have been the shape that we want. We could change the thickness of the line. We could select all the layers of the line that we want to highlight, as shown over here, and we could go to the line thickness and just scroll and change line thickness as we like, right? And to show the line thickness, the line weight is down here again. If it's not shown here, you can go to the customization tab and you will search for line weight, and then you can turn it on. Here is line weight, and it's thick over here, right? Thanks for watching. I hope that this was helpful. You can refer to the videos I have on the basics to AutoCAD, so you could watch those to learn how to do the labeling properly and doing our dimensions. So I will just stop here for now. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video was very helpful. I'll have some more on constructing different forms of triangles with different methods.